Hey everybody, welcome back. The other day I posted a video on scarlet elf cups, and I had a few of you want me to cook those, show you how to cook them. So this is what we're going to do. We'll have my lunch today. Got some venison backstrap, some scarlet elf cups, and some onions, a little bacon grease, and my cast iron skillet. I'm gonna get these scarlet elf cups cleaned up, get everything ready to go, and we'll get this cooking. Okay, they're about as ready as they're going to be. So what I'm going to start, how I'm going to start this off is I just put enough grease in my skillet to keep everything from sticking. We'll let that melt down for a second. Okay, I believe we're heated up enough to put our stuff in. I'll throw these onions in there. I like to baste them. Put my meat right on top of them. I'll put some more onions on them. And these scarlet elf cups here, that big one I'll just break down a little bit there. These smaller ones I'll just break them in half. Just let that cook for a little bit. Just stir everything around every now and then. Nothing better than the smell of goodness cooking. I like to keep everything kind of pushed up there, close to my meat there, so it all gets the flavors locked in together there. Yep, they're about done. Muskie Hans, if you're watching, brother, I know I told you I'd have this up Sunday night. Due to some bad weather, my internet connection here, for some reason I just couldn't get a video loaded, and I had to go after some more of these scarlet elf cups because, well, I ate the last ones. So, got some more. I'm bringing you the video I told you I was going to bring you. All right, that's done. Don't that look good? I love venison. That's one of my favorites. Especially the backstrap. You venison lovers out there, wish he's here enjoying this. Get this up a little bit, just in case it's controversial. I'm not sure. I've had a lot of people say, yeah, I don't know if you can eat them or whatever. Anyways, get that little dude on my fork here. It's the scarlet elf cup. They are good. They're a milder tasting mushroom. A lot of people don't like morels. I know quite a few people that don't like a strong mushroom taste. If you just want a hint of mushroom, these scarlet elf cups, they're good. They're a little stronger than a hint. And certain ones, some will taste stronger than others, but you know, that's with anything you get there. But, backstraps, that's awesome. Do that. Put all my onions on my fork there, and a little of the scarlet elf cup there. Mmm. Mmm. Yep, that's good stuff, guys. I'm gonna bring you some more wild edibles here. And I put this out there, a scarlet elf cup, and I've done a few other little wild edibles, but I put this out there in several different places other than just YouTube here, and I had over a thousand responses to these scarlet elf cups. I've had so many requests to do a wild edible series, and more than half of the requests was the wild edible series, not only showing the plants but and the things that you can get, but how to prepare them. I may do that. Not gonna promise you, but it does seem like there's a lot of want for this, and actually I will just go ahead and do this. So yeah, we'll do that series, but I'm gonna get off of here. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my lunch here, and I'll bring you another video soon. If you like our videos, like, share, comment, subscribe. Check us out on Facebook, Mickey Wilson Bushcraft and Survival. Until the next one, that's it for this one.